This
अद्य
conference will now be
शुक्रवासरः अथवा
recorded.
अद्य शुक्रवासरः अथवा रविवासरः भाद्रपद शुद्ध दशमी दिनांक 28 अगस्त 2020 सहस्र योग व्योषादि चूर्णम शंखं चक्रं जलौकान् चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिरुद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमम्भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगदवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयान्तेषु पूरिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रयच्छत् सत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। व्योषाग्निवेल त्रिफला मुस्तैस्तुल्यम् अयोरजा चूर्णितं तक्रमध्वाज्य कोष्णतोयोपयोजितं तामलापाण्डुरुधिरवद् कुष्ठार्षो मेहनाशि। तर्हि अस्मिन् विषये बहु प्रपञ्चितं यः यत् अयमेव योगः गुग्गुलेन साकं वातव्याधः निर्दिष्टोऽस्ति एवं तत्र मेदकफनाशनम् इति फलश्रुतिः दृश्यते किन्तु अस्य उपयोगः तावत् पाण्डुरोगाधिकारे एतत् चूर्णम् उक्तं तथा द्वयोः अपि सङ्गतिः तत्र भवत्येव किन्तु कुष्ठार्ष्णुमेघनाशनम् इत्यपि तस्य फलश्रुतिः दृश्यते यथा मया यः उक्तं यत् प्रमेहादिषु सम्प्राप्तिः आदर्शी दृश्यते तदनुसारं क्लेदः यदि तत्र सञ्चयं गच्छेत् तर्हि प्रमेयसम्प्राप्तौ तस्य बहिर्निष्कासनं मेहनेन क्रियते अथवा मूत्रद्वारा क्रियते अतः तत्र वृक्कस्य च बस्तेः च सम्बन्धः प्रस्थापितोऽस्ति आयुर्वेदे न तु मूत्रनिर्माणसमये तस्य सम्बन्धः प्रस्थापितोऽस्ति आयुर्वेदे यः आधुनिकवैद्यके निर्दिष्टोऽस्ति भवतु नाम तर्हि क्लेदस्य यदि निष्कासनं कार्यं तर्हि मूत्रमेव तत्र शरण्यम् इति चिन्तयामि. So as I explained yesterday, we may have to think about the clay that is getting accumulated in the body to be thrown out through bladder and Brukka of the kidneys are the Mudasthana of Vedavasrotas. And in Prameha Samprapti, there is a clear cut, we can say, link established between this Brukka and bladder, not in general Mutra Nirman, which is associated with Pakvashe as such, according to Ayurveda. So we may have to think about this more seriously. And that is why Navayasaloha or Tapyadiloha is in very much use of many Vaidyas. And my tradition is Sappediloho more than Navayasi. Kayonyadi Churna. Kayonyadi. നല്ല മുലകാഗ്നി പുരാണകിട്ടൻ എല്ലാം ക്രമാചരണ ശൂന്യതയാ വിചൂർണ്യം നല്ലോർമാറില്ല മോദ സനാഗരാഭ്യാം മുന്നാൽ കുടിക്കില്ല മുരടക്കിടു മിങ്കു പാണ്ഡു. So Bhringaraj Kayoni is 4 part. Muluga Maricha is 3 part. Agni Chitraka 2 part. Purana Kitta Mandura 1 part. Ajamoda half and Nagara 1/4. Prepare churna with the above drugs taken in specified quantity. Pandu. The Falashruti is just Pandu. I don't know whether this is available in the market. Nyaramuladi Churna. Nyaramula Marak Chittu Narandan Nirillan Jasa. Irubin Melate Chunakku Yavat Krishnatvam Avraje. Pinne Morila Gulevapi Sevitam Pandunashanam. The Jambu Mulatwak Naranga Nirila Nimbu Swarasa. Pound Jambu Mulatwak with Jimbir Swarasa, apply the paste over an iron plate till it attains black color. Afterwards, collect the dry powder and make it into fine powder and advance entirely with moril, buttermilk, guleva, or with butter, pandu. So Jambu Mulatwak and Nimbus Swarasa to be applied with lathe over iron plate till it becomes black in color and then make a powder and to be given with takra or buddha. Varayadi Churna. Varahi Nalla Tudichit Mrutil Bhavikim Nurum Kanacha Marankala Tukasitacha Churnichu Kondiru Kalanjin Ananchu Tainil Nakidu Vorkaria Kamila Munuli Varaha Kanda Tudi Ela Chitra Mritila Guruchi Swarasa Kana Maramannya Daru Haridra Twak Tuga Vamshalochana Sita Shakara 1 part each. Three types of severe Kamala. So this is specifically for Kamala with honey, 4 grams with honey. Now this autoimmune hepatitis is a serious condition. I've come across a few cases of this, and I delivered a lecture in Haridwar also regarding this. So we may try to use this Nelakyadi Churna. Nelikateli Chukkud Chitrat Chitrumutin Ninnundayanu Rupam Nonu Rumpam Naha Ittankuvayu Monnivam Palatchurna Vidhaya Adarat Ayam Dishe Varamruto Dvarase Patvalihe Churnitam Churnam Pitta Vikaram Ashudamaye मध्वागुलेनान्वितम् चामलकी शुंठी गुरुची सत्व मंडूर भस्म कुवा वंशलोचन त्रिफला क्वाथ 40 अमृता गुरुचिका 40 ounce. Take the powder with the above drugs and add liquids and boil it till the liquid part is completely evaporated and then collect the powder. Add the liquids to the fine powder of the above drugs and expose it to sun and then collect the powder after evaporation of the liquid and administer it internally with madhu or gud. So amalaki shunki gulvel sattva mandura वंशलोचन त्रिफला and अमृता क्वाथ. Pitta vikar. This is for all pitta vikaras. So कृष्णाग्न्यादि चूर्ण.
त्याच्याने एक वेगळं रेफरन्स दिलाय औषधोपचार मिळत नाही म्हणून केळामध्ये काहीतरी वा ए व्हरायटी ऑफ अॅरोरूट ते घे निदान
Arurut.
रोड के प्रकार मिळतात इलेक्ट्रोसिटी फंक्शन उत्तम आहे.
In place of Vamshalochana, there is arurut used in some traditions.
केरला.
This is in Hindi translation. Okay. कृष्णाग्नि विश्व घन जीरक देवदारु पथ्या पुनर्नवा निशा मरीषान झड़ानाम चूर्णं कवोष्ण सलिलैखलो ढ्यपीतम नातः परम श्वेत रोगहरम नराणाम. So this is for Shwayathu and there is no better medicine than this. That is what they are saying. Krishna Chitraka Agni Vishwa Ghana Musta जीरक देवदारू पथ्या हरित की पुनर्नवान दिशा मरीच and भूम्यामल्की अझाड़ा. So this is rather simple. All medicines are available. Kavoshna salilai kalodya pitam. So this is to be used in Sarvanga Shrotha as such. So maybe try it in acute cases of kidney failure. Prepare churna with the above drugs taken in equal quantity and well internally with lukewarm waters. Shwayathu. And actually the Falashruti is saying that this is Sreshta. Natah param anyam. There is no other churna like this for Shwayathu. So we may try to prepare this and use. Indrasani churna. एकैकं तिलपिप्पली बदरजं द्वे माक्षिकाद् आदाय सा चूर्णात् त्रीण्यतफलानि भेषज्वरम् भेषजोवरं चत्वारि तुल्यासिता सर्वैकं मधुपिष्टमौषधमिदं दुर्नाम पाण्डुदरे लीहानाः चिरज्वरानि हरेत् च हरेत् इन्द्राशनिर्नामतः. इंद्राशनि है. Okay. So this is Indravrajra. Vrutta is also Indravrajra. Indravajra. Ekekam tilpippali badarajam dvemakshakat adayasa. Churnat chattrinyatatalan vishate deshacha varam chatvari tilyasita. This is Sharduli Pidita Sarvaikam Vatapishtamaushadamidam Durnama Pandudara Lihanaah Chiratvarani Chaharet Indrashanirnamata. So this is Sharduli Pidita. It's not Indravajra. I initially thought that it is Indravajra. Tila Pippali Badara Makshika Bhasma 2 parts. Ayas Churna Loha 3 parts. Bheshaja Varam Shunki. Sita Sharkara 10 parts. 3 3 6 4 10 10 मधुपिष्टमौषधं चत्वारि तुल्या सुता. So दुर्नाम पांडु उदर प्लीहा आनाह क्षीरज्वर. The Falashruti is quite wide. Pandu Udara Pliha Anaha and Tirajara. You didn't mention Arsha. Durnama Pliha Anaha Chirajwara. Tila Pippali Padara Makshika. So if they become 3, in Makshika 2 parts. Where is that? Yes. Shikad Adaya Sa Churna Chatrin Yatapalani Veshajavaram. So Veshajavara is Shunti Mahushada. So even if we take Tila Pippali Badara, 1 part is, then it becomes Sita should be 13 parts and not 10 parts or 12 parts rather. 3 2 5 7 3 8 and 4 12. So it should be 12 parts. So still the translation is controversial. Ayaskantadi Churna. अयस्कांत मयश्चूर्णम अयोमल रजांसि च बल्लातक विडंगानि तव्वराणि फलानि च लांगली त्रिफला चेति लक्ष्मी चूर्णानि कारये. कदिरासन देवदृक् कषायस्तानि भावये. गवामूत्रेण भृङ्गाणां स्वरसेन अथ भावये. सर्पिर्मधुभ्यां तल्लीढ्वा जीर्णे क्षीराशनो भवे. कुष्ठमष्टादशविधम् हर्षांसि च विनाशे. So Ayaskanta, Ayaschurna. Ayaskanta is, I feel, magnet. Ayomala Raja Mandura, Allataka Vidanda, Varkapala, Langali. So Langali I have seen for the first time to be used in medicine like this. Triphala. Steep the powders of the above drugs with the decoctions of Kadira, Asana, Devdaru, and also with Gomutra and Bhringarajas for Bhungasparas. It should be administered internally with Krita and Madhu and advised to take milk diet after the digestion of the medicine. 18 types of Kushta and Arshas. Tilapallatakam Patya Gudashteti Smavashakam. This is one yoga in Kushta. And Pansarkar was in much favor of this yoga. Only those people who don't tolerate Pallataka, this might be troublesome. Otherwise, this is good enough or something. And Tila has an affinity towards Kushta Roga. So Tila is used as a vehicle to reach that particular site. And actually the main drug is Bhallataka and Patya to a certain extent. But this he praised like anything. I have not used really so this yoga, but might be used. Yogaraja Churna. Pippali Pippali Mula Chavichitraka Nagarahi, Patha Vidangendra Hindu Vangi Vachandite. Sarshapati Vishajaji Jirakai Kushta Sanjitaihi. Gajakrishna Jamodabhyam Katuka Muru Vum Mishritaihi. समभागान् वितैरेते समभागं च गोकुले एतत् सञ्चूर्णितं सम्यक् मधुना च परिप्लुतं योगराजमिदं नाम्ना भगन्धरहरं परम् अर्षांसि वातगुल्मं च पाण्डुरोगं रोचकम् न्यान्यादाशितान् सर्वान् दुर्वारानपि असंशयम्. Whether this is, it doesn't seem to be Yogaraj from Charaka in Panduranga. So Panchakola is the Pipali Mula Chavichatraka Nagare. This Panchakola Patha Vidanga Indrayav Hingu Bhangi Vacha Sarshapa Ativisha Ajaji Jiraka Kushtha Vajakushna Avamoda Patuka Murva and Samavagam Chagulu. एतत् संचूर्णितं सम्यक् मधुना पच परिप्लुतं योगाजगं नाम्ना भगन्धरहरं परम्. So we may try to use in Bhagandhara. Now in Bhagandhara, generally patients come to us in very advanced stage. But if we get patients in the initial stage and there is no Vimukha Nadi, only there is opening externally and no internal linkage with that, then these cases can be treated medically and there is no need of this Charasutra, etc. or Shastra Karma in that. And I have seen patients recovering with only medical management, medical treatment. So in this scenario, this is a better choice. I am using Swayambhuvakhya most of the times and to certain extent Triphala Gokul. But along with Vanga, if there is a first discharge, then Vanga is to be used. But in general, in Nadi Varana or Bhagandhara, we need to be cautious and say about the Pathya more precisely. That is what is required. So, trying to compare this with Charaka Yogaraja in Pandurogadhya. Pippali Mula Chavya Chitraka Nagara Patha Vidanga Indrayo Hindu Bharangi Vacha Sarshapa Ativisha Ajaj Jiraka Kushtha Gaja Krishnam Gaja Pippali Ajamoda Katuka Murva Gukul equal administered internally. So we may have to think about bringing this into practice. Datta Shastri mentioned Vangandhara as Atmahabhuta Dushta and treated accordingly. So how Vanga works on pus? Difficult to say, but maybe there should be some role of Shukra Dhatu in this, in the formation of pus. In Dushta Vrana or in Vrana Chikitsa in general. So there is a mention to about Strinam tu Smriti Samskarsha Darshanish Charites Vite Shukre Vivayajan Doshan Asamsarge Pyavamnya. So if there is Shukra Sruti, then he enters into Shukra Vivayaja Dosha and that doesn't heal. So considering this, Polatkar sir thought of using Vanga even in cancer patients or something like that. Actually, the role of Shukra is defined more in this scenario. That Garbhodpada is the Sreshta karma of Shukra. But regeneration of dhatus is a common or continuous karma of Shukra. And due to this Ativyavaya or this kind of Ashtavidha Maithuna, as what they say, if there is Shukrakshaya, then that leads to non-healing of the wound. On the contrary, if Shukra is very well maintained with Vanga or any other way, then the wounds can heal more easily, more fast. And that is why Kolhatkar sir thought of the regeneration of dhatus through Shukra. And it is there in Raja Yakshma. Kshine retasya nantaraha kriyante dhatavas sarve tata shushyati manavaha, etc. So we may have to think about this. And Shukra, if we read Bangavasma from this Guneshastri, he had just explained only about Shukra. Vangam Pakshayato Narasya Navavet Swapnepi Shukrakshaya. He has elaborated the whole thing only on the basis of that. There is a mention about this pus formation as well. So, this is Dhatu Pakavastha. Pus formation is the Dhatu Pakavastha. So, we may try to consider this and use Vangavasma. Which local treatment works well in Bagandharasya, Jalakaucha and health? It does help, but what we have to see, if there is internal opening, then it's a difficult thing to treat. Vimukha Nadi Varana, then Eshana and putting this Sharasutra is a better choice or something. But otherwise, if there is only external opening, we may do Eshana and put Jatyadi oil, because Jatyadi Ghrutta it solidifies and doesn't give that effect. So we have to use Datyadi Taila in that scenario. Charkokta Yogaraj is Tapyadi Lohana. Now I don't remember right now, so one may have to compare. Vanga क्लेद हरण या दुष्टिने ही दुष्टव्रण. That is true. But basically, as I said, this Shukra is taken care. Puyaswari Bhangada Panchatirtha Gurtu वापरता येईल. Definitely. So we can use. So there is no doubt. Swayambhu Akhya is in Bhagandharadhikar itself, and that works fine. Natar Shastri asked the patient about his profession, which he said is to be water related. Okay. We may have to see the role of Jalamahabhuta in this. Tripalaya Trayo Bhagas Trayasthi Bhagaschitrakамудस्य Vranganam Tatheva Cha Panchashmajatuno Bhagas Tatha Rupamalस्य Cha Makshikasya Cha Siddhasya Lohasya Rajasya Ashto Bhagas Tayashta Tatsarvam Sukshmachurnatam Makshikena Sthatyam Ayase Bhashadena Shure Udumbar Samam Matram Tade Yathagninam Dine Dine Prayinjita जीर्णे भोज्यम यथेप्सितं वर्जयित्वा कुलस्थानि काकमाक्षं कपोतकं योगराज इति ख्यातो योगोऽयम् अमृतो कुमारसायमेदं श्रेष्ठं सर्वरोगहरं शिवं पाण्डुरोगं विषन्तासं यक्ष्माणं विषमज्वरं कुष्ठान्यजीर्णकं मेहं शोषं श्वासम् अरोचकं विशेषाद्यन्तस्मारं कामलाङ्गुदजानि च इति योगराजः. So this is the elaborate part, and this is much comparable with Tapyadilo, there is no doubt. We may have to get into more details whether there is any change or something like that. But mostly it is the same. Yogaraj म्हणजे Tapyadilo. Yeah. So Tapyadri Jaturopyayo Malah Panchapala Pruthak. That is the part of Tapyadi. And Tapyadi and Tapyadri, there are two. There is Prashlesha or there is Padabhe. And Ganesh Shastri has taken with a Tapyadi and not Tapyadri. So they are different. ताप्याद्रिचतुरौप्यायो मलाः पंचफला पृथक् चित्रका त्रिफला व्योष विडम्बि फलिके स शर्कराष्टफलोन्मिश्राश्चूर्णितां अभ्यस्त्वक्षमात्रा हि जीर्णे हितमिताशना कुलत्थकाकमाच्छादि कपोतपरिहारिणा. This is Tapyadi from Charaka. Okay. In Charaka there is Yogaraj and there is Tapyadi. And in Gune Shastri it is taken as Tapyadi, not Tapyadri. So better read this Tapyadi Loha from Gune Shastri, and both are same. After immediate this there is Yogaraj Churna in Charaka. So if they are given separately, then this is to be understood separately. And when one may look for minute changes in this. And as such, Tapyadi can be used in varieties of diseases. Concept are used in Vata Vyadhi particularly due to Santarpana or Apatarpana both. And though Pandu is a disease of Rasavasrutas, we try to attribute more to Rakta, but it is a disease of Rasavasrutas. And so, as I said, our concept of Pandu and the concept of anemia in conventional medicine, there might be much more difference. And we have to see what is more appropriate. Of course, we have to stick up to our own science for this. That's a better thing to do. So, Bagandhara, Arshas, Vatagurma, Pandu, and Aruchi. So this particular is Bagandhara Haram Param. So this is more useful for Bagandhara accept. And may try to use particularly for Bagandhara. Actually, there should be study of formulations from different texts, comparison, and what is added, what is subtracted, etc. Or if there is any change in the method of preparation that we have to look for. अल्परक्त मेधस को पांडु असे ही आलेले आहे. Yeah. In one part, all are explained as such, and in next sutras, the details about this proportion is given. Falashruti is same in Charaka and Ashtanga Hridaya as well. So anyway, what I feel right now, I have been thinking of these formulations from all texts and understanding the logic behind the formulation. So we may try to understand this more thoroughly. And then
असं काम झालंय
वेगवेगळ्या
पाठांचं असं काम झालेलं आहे
नाही माहिती नाही म्हणजे मला असं in Triskanda Kosha we have selected all pathas from Saraswati Ashtanga and Ashtanga Hridaya. And in the Pratipadika Kosha there will be even more elaborate collection. So let us see how it goes and how to think about the rationale behind such pathas. That's a big job, and understanding it thoroughly well is the requirement. Can we read Datar Shastri Sir's explanation of Kalpas? But all of you can read and try to understand that. That should be fine. My interest is in Sanskrit texts, and even it is difficult to understand Datar Shastri's writing, though it is in Marathi, the explanation is rather difficult. But what I feel, the Ganesh Shastri has a totally different perspective of writing, and more in favor of conventional medicine, etc. I have in my mind that I can put Panchabhutik Chikitsa in a different perspective based on text. Tatar Guruji has written it in a specific way, but on the basis of Triskanda Kosha, it can be rewritten in a different manner. And why should we go for Panchabhutika Chikitsa when Tridosha Chikitsa has been elaborately given by all texts? That is yet another important aspect. So, what is the importance of Panchabhutika Chikitsa as such? And why Datar Guruji emphasized on this Panchabhutika Chikitsa, that is still the point to be noted. But anyway, you can keep on the reading. The new books written by Shailesh Mari and further followers are more explanatory, and one may emphasize on them. That should also be better. So anyway, we go ahead. सारस्वत चूर्ण विश्वाजमोद रजनी द्वय सैंधवोग्रा यष्ट्याभकुष्ठ मगधोद्भव जीरकाणा चूर्णं प्रभात समये लिहतां सर्पिः वाग्देवता निवसति स्वयमेव वक्त्रे. So Vishwa Ajamoda Rajani Dvaya Saindhava Ugra is Vacha Yashti Kushtha Magadodbhava. Magadodbhava is this Pippali Jiraka Churnam Pramata Samaye. So make a churna of this Lihatamsa Sarpihi. So if you lick it with Sarp Gruta Vagdevata Nivasati Swayameva Vakta. The Vagdevata stays in your Jibha or Mukha. So this quite good praising of this Saraswata Churna. Vishwa Ajamodha Rajani Dvaya Saindhava Ugra Vacha Yashtya Kushta Vadadva Pipalijira. Saraswati is not mentioned in the formula, but equal quantity of the orders can be added. Vagraha. The same formulation has been mentioned in Chakradatta by name Kalyana Kalleha. I don't understand what Saraswati is not mentioned. So Kalyana Kalleha, this is by Chakradatta. That is one thing. Saraswata Churna is available in the market. And if this can be given with Brahmi Ghruta, that is fine. For particularly children who speak very late, generally either the walking start first or the speaking starts first. And those who start walking earlier, they may get delayed in speaking in voice. But by 2 years or so, the child should be able to talk. But this can be delayed. सरस्वती वनस्पती आहे इथे. I don't know whether it is Vanaspati over here. And Saraswati is this Vag Devata, really speaking, and that stays in your mouth or something like that. So it's like giving you Vag Siddhi, really speaking. And for this delayed development of Vak, this is commonly used. Whether it leads to Vak Siddhi, that is yet another important aspect, and then may be used for that purpose and such. So there, in one book by पु ल देशपांडे, इथं तर त्याच्या जिभेवर साक्षात सरस्वतीने एक क्लास उघडलेला होता. I think it is in Sakaram Gatne. So there is a story about Kalidasa that he was very dull as a student, and then Saraswati made some writings on him on his jibha, and thereafter he got developed into a poet, very well-known poet. Savacha हरिद्रा कुष्ठ पिप्पली विश्वभेषजम अजाज अविमोदात्सा यष्टिमधुयुक्तम घृतम कल्याणकलेहम in yoga. सवचा हरिद्रा कुष्ठ पिप्पली विश्वभेषजम अजाज अविमोदाक्ष यष्टिमधुयुक्तम घृतम. So this is Kalyanakaleya from yoga. Yoga Ratnakara, you are going to say. Yeah. Can we use Saraswata Churna in Parkinson's or Alzheimer's like diseases wherein we get Vacha problem? We may. This is a neurological disorder, Vata Vyadhi, etc. And whether this alone will help or not, that is another issue. But this can be used as an adjuvant treatment for Vata Vyadhi, etc. But anyway, Saraswata Churna can be used in children particularly, and if it is given along with Brahmi Ghruta, then instead of using normal Ghruta, Brahmi Ghruta will be better, I suppose. So whether this gives Vacha Siddhi, this is again a question. Avipatti Churna. Vyoshat Trijata Kambod Trivigna Malapet Trivrut Sarve Samas Samasita Chaudrena Guliki Kutaha Avipattiriyam Namna Prashasta Pittarugna. So Vyosha Trijata Amboda Musta Kurmigna Vidanga Amanaka Trivrut Vantaki. Sita equal to all above all. Preparation with this and taken in Pitta Roga. So surprisingly, I'm also using Avipatti Churna in many cases. And my common combination is Vacha Mishra, Ananta, Avipattikar, maybe Durva, along with Manuka Pandar. This is for Pitta Anulomana and Bala Anulomana. Surprisingly, the medicines are quite Ushnavirya. Vyosha, Trijataka, Kurmigna. Amalaki and Musta, it's Shitavirya. And as such, combination is strange. Avipattikar and Avipatti Churna are different. Is Avipatti available by the name Avipatti Churna in the market? There is more quantity of Trivrut in Avipattikara, and Lavanga is there. That is yet another important. Avipatti available. They use it as Virechana. Vagbhata Kalpa Sthan, I guess that it is from Ashtanga Hridaya Kalpasthan. Okay. वाग्भटा मध्ये लवंग नाही, नंतरच्या ग्रंथात लवंग आले आहे. So there is no lavanga in Vagbhata. We have to think about this. In Avipattikara there is lavanga, there is no doubt. In Avipatti there is no lavanga. And lavanga, like Karpura, it's Shita and Tikshna. This is a very strange combination. Generally Tikshna is associated with Ushna and Shita is associated with Manda, but or Mrudu. But lavanga and Karpura both are Shita and Tikshna. So they can be used in Pitta Vikar as well. In Chandraprabha, the role of Karpura, this is again something typical that we may have to think about. I use without lavanga. Avipattikar has bigger falashruti. So we are using with lavanga and prepare for ourselves. Of course, I am not using that much quantity to my patients. It's just 60 to 120 milligram. But people use it more. That is also there. So we may try to compare the Avipatti and Avipattikara and then go for appropriate part for ourselves. So Maha Shvagandhadi, Masha Shvagandhadi Chura. Masha Ashwagandha Yashtyava Shadamashta Buddhika Bijakam Pakvam Rambha Palayitam Churnam Shire Vipachitam Samshoshya Churnayitva cha Sita Yuktam Nishevitam Aroshnena Athva Yuktam Vrusham Paramamuttamam. That's strange. Masha Ashwagandha Yashtyava Shvadamashta Buddhika Bijaka Pakvam Rambha Palayitam Churnam. So Rambhafalayita and Kshire Vipachita. And then this is pre-cooked in Kshira. So the Rambhafala, that is banana along with milk. This is again a viruddha combination. And then संशोष्य चूर्णयित्वा च सीतायुक्तं निषेवितम्. दारोष्णेन अथवा युक्तम्. So दारोष्ण दुग्ध is the anupana. Drishyam paramam uttamam. So let us see whether we can prepare this. Is it possible? Avipattikara. 10 grams of each of trikattu, haritaki, bibhitaka, amalaki, musta, vidalavana, vidanga, ela, lavanga, trivrit, tarheta, and sakar. So it contains ela and lavanga both. Trivrit is the main ingredient. So anyway, we may have to think about this. Masha Shugandha Yashtava Swadamshra Mudga Bija Pakwarambha Phala. Prepare churna with the above drugs and boil with kshira and then dry it well. Later on, invested internally with Sita and Dharoshna Kshira, best Vrishya. But Pakwa Rambhaphala along with this and to be boiled with kshira. This is a bit strange. Can we put Pakwa Amra in this? That is at least Kshira Mitra, according to Yogaratnakam. So, let us see if we can prepare this. Guggulu Panchapala Churna. Guggulu Panchapalam Palikamsha Mahadeka Tripala Chuksya. Vaktruti Karshayatam Badhulidam Pushtavagandara Gulmakrubikna. I think this is Swayambhuvakya and will be more tasty with amra. Ashvam Ashashanda, they can be given in azoospermia, oligospermia, there is no doubt. It should be tasty. And amra will be more tasty. One can put dry amra powder as well. Pakwa amra powder. So this is available, Guggulu Panchapala Churna. Okay. So Guggulu Payupala Magadika Pipali 1 Tripala separate. So 1 pala each. Tvaktruti Karshayutam. So Darshini, Velchi and Ela 1 Karsha. Kushtavagandhara Gulma Krubignam. Guggulu Panchapala Churna. So this we may try to use in Bagandhara and Kurbinna also. So so we may try to use this. రాష్ట్రాముక్కురు దేవదారు కటుక చన్యాయ చేంచల్య ఉంకొట్టం నల్లవయంపు గైరిక నిషా యష్టి బలాముస్తయం. Rambhaphala Rasayan is available in layer form from ABP. Rambhaphala Rasayana. This is Vajikarana. So this might be a bit different part. Same part in Vagbhata. So we may have to look for these pathas as such. How far they are available. Amra Rasayana also available, I guess. I have a concept of preparing a database of available drugs in the market. And maybe in the form of an Excel sheet, there are many apps of individual companies, but there is no compilation of all these. Now, Bharat Bhaishaja Ratnakara is a compendium or is a collection of all pathas. Like that, if we have something in a mobile app, that will be great. And across companies, we should be able to find whatever is available or something like that. I had a concept of having a seminar or workshop, one-day workshop for diabetes and its complications. So the basic theme was to make a gathering of BMS practitioners who are practicing allopathy, also called integrated or something like that, and to create their interest in practicing Ayurveda through diabetes and its complications. So now practically every company has some preparation for diabetes, and companies will sponsor their own products, etc. And they will bring into picture whatever their products are. And these diabetes patients are in general being treated by general practitioners, and only complicated cases are referred to diabetologists as such. So if we are able to replace the anti-diabetic drug from conventional medicine with Ayurvedic medicine, that will be a great achievement as such. And that is why I tried to select this diabetes. And nobody looks into the complications of diabetes. Everybody's interest is only lowering the sugar. But truly speaking, the nephropathy, retinopathy, neuropathy, these have to be dealt with. And Ayurveda deals with them more effectively. In conventional medicine, most of the time it is fixation of the problems and not really addressing the problem. So the pharmaceuticals can play a vital role in propagating Ayurveda for this. And the same might be the thing even for blood pressure, that if this is being treated by general practitioners, and if we develop the view of holistic management, a holistic approach in these diseases, either cancer, either it is blood pressure or diabetes. Now, I have published a book along with Sohan Pathak on diabetes, Saal Kya Bolte Sugar Factory in Marathi. So, I'm trying to approach people for the complications of diabetes. And now there are people coming for maintaining blood sugar level as well. Or type 1 diabetes. This is again a very difficult condition to treat. So now there are cases of type 1 diabetes as well. Otherwise, the lobby was very strong, or is very strong, of allopathic doctors regarding juvenile diabetes. And nobody allows to use Ayurveda for them. That was the scenario. But with this changing situation, I think that will be definitely possible in near future. And we should be ready to treat these cases, particularly ketoacidosis, etc., the complications. And maybe syncope, maybe coma associated with diabetes, etc. So what I feel right now is there is a vast scope, particularly for diabetes, and there are many pharmacies preparing medicine. They are not only looking for the sugar, but truly speaking, we should be able to go beyond that. So in that scenario, if we can involve pharmaceuticals, Ayurvedic pharmaceuticals in this, that can be a good business opportunity for us. So let us try to think about this. So let us conclude today and continue tomorrow. Ayurveda prakando nigaditaiha शल्यतंत्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने ताञ्च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनं वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनं विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्यापारः श्वः पुनः